So one thing that's really cool about the Google Pixel tablet is the ability to split screen. Now, when you have a screen this big, it makes a lot of sense to use this feature. And the cool thing is you don't have to do anything crazy in your settings. You just have to have some open tabs. Now, when you have these tabs open, you just hit the little icon at the top. I'm going to do an example here with YouTube opened up. Then we've got the Play Store. So the screen is actually a lot larger than trying to do this on your phone. So it actually makes sense to try it out. Now I'm just going to throw an example up here. We'll do another one, but let's say you're just watching something on YouTube, whether it's just some video, some music, and then, maybe you're on the Play Store trying to download some apps or some things like that. You could do it at the same time. Now, this is just one example. Obviously, you could be shopping on Amazon, playing a game, watching a video, et cetera, et cetera. All right, so let's do another example here. Let me just go back here, check out the open tabs. Now, I'll probably use YouTube as another example, but let's throw up a game. I was actually just playing Alto's Odyssey, and awesome game, by the way. And now let's say that you're, playing a game while you're watching a YouTube video. I mean, how cool is this? And obviously you can make this screen smaller or larger by, going from the right to the left. You can kind of just maneuver it. But the whole point here is this feature works really well on the Google Pixel tablet, and just being able to multitask like this and do two things at once and still have, a really big screen on both sides, I just think it's pretty darn cool. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tip on the Pixel tablet. We just got this in, so we're going to be throwing up some more videos for it. And yeah, of course, you can also get in our tech newsletter where we send out one email a week directly below in the description. As always, thanks for watching this one, guys, and we'll see y'all in the next video.